Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the fuel filter heater on Mercedes C-Class Generation W205. Stay with us guys, we'll explain where you can find them, which fuses, relays you need to check. We'll talk about hidden fuse boxes, information that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. And by the way, if you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now guys. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the fuel filter heater fuses relays, we will show you where you can find them. We will, by the way, need to check 2 fuses, 1 relay. Guys, quick advice. The owners of that generation Mercedes C-Class, okay, 9 out of 10 do not know. 9 out of 10 do not know how many hidden fuse boxes are in that car. They don't know about other fuse boxes. Some don't even look like fuse boxes. We have 6 of them. That's why, guys, we made one special video to help you out. It's on our YouTube channel. That's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. We need to go ahead and open the trunk, guys. In the trunk, you need to lift the carpet liner up. Here in the right corner underneath you're going to have another carpet liner that's cut out. Lift the flap and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Now, specifically guys, we don't have that option, but we'll explain if you have it where you can expect to find the fuse. So don't freak out, okay, if ours is empty, but if you have that option, we'll explain what you need to check. And for the fuel filter heater, you need to check fuse number 449, which will be that fuse right here, one of them. You need to check. And you will have another one which is known as fuse 467. It will be that big fuse right here. What about the relay? The relay is known as relay ZR1. If you have that relay, it will be right here, okay, that you will need to check in the corner guys. Those are the main locations, the main fuses, main relays for the fuel filter heater that you need to check. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.